solve x over 5 is less than or equal to -3 and then graph the solution. Remember, whenever we see division, we're going to use multiplication to solve it. That was another thing I forgot. Here's a quick reminder for you if you wanted to jot that down as well. If you see multiplication, you're going to use division to solve it. If you see division, you're going to use multiplication to solve it. Since we see division, we're going to use multiplication to solve. So here we go. Whenever we multiply and divide by 5, those are just going to cancel out. So all we're left with is x. Bring down this inequality symbol is less than or equal to, and then -3 times 5 is -15. Okay, so that's our inequality. The graph would look like this. We have -15 in the middle, -16 on the left, -14 on the right. This symbol is going to be closed because it says less than or equal to -15, so that means 15 is equal to it, which means it can be a part of the solution. And then I'm going to point to the truth. Remember, if you just plug in x with one of the things on the number line, you can determine which is going to be true. Okay, -16 is less than -15, so I am going to point to -16 on this one. -14 is not less than -15, so I wouldn't point to that direction. Okay, so that's just, again, if you see multiplication, you're going to use division to solve it. I'm going to divide for this one and graph it. So x will be greater than -3. On my graph, I've got -3 right here in the middle, -4 to the left, -2 to the right. This one will have an open circle because 3 is not a part of the solution. And again, if I plug in my values, -4 is not bigger than -3, but -2 is bigger than -3, so I'm going to point to -2. Okay? What you're going to try now are